So let's understand the TF record with respect to the Python code. We need to load the TensorFlow, or we need to import the TensorFlow as TF. That's the first library that we are going to load. I'll just execute this line. And then in order to create a TF record writer, we will use this TF record writer class and then provide the file name, that is my data.tf record, and we are writing this is the first record and this is the second record. I'll just execute this line, and after executing this line you can see that my data.tf record is all created. When I click on this, you can see that the data is this is my first record and this is my second record, which is stored in my data.tf record. Now if you want to read whatever is stored in TF record writer, whatever is stored in my data.tf record, you can go with an option called as tf data.tf record dataset. So this TF record dataset can take multiple files to read at a time. For that, we will use a file path and provide all the files that you want to read. Right now, we are using one file to read, that is my data.tf record. And we'll pass this file path as an argument to TF record dataset. It reads each item from the dataset one by one using the for loop, and then we print the items. So the data which is contained in my data.tf record is this is my first record and this is the second record. So it has been printed here. And now when we are dealing with the larger data sets, so the best option is to compress the TF record files. So in order to compress the TF record file, what we need to use is TF record option with the compression type. So we are passing the compression type as gzip, and that is this particular line is saved in options, and this option is passed as an argument to TF record writer. So writer takes the file name and the option as the arguments, and we are going to write whatever, that is this is my first record and this is the second record. Whatever we are writing in this file get compressed with the type gzip. When I execute this line, you can see the file mycompressed.tf record being created. And when I double click and open this particular file, all the data in the compressed file is stored in the binary format, which is not readable. And if you want to read the compressed file, you have to use the option that is TF record dataset, provide the file name and the compression type, that is gzip, and store it in dataset. And when we use for loop on this dataset and print it, it prints what all the data which is present in the TF record file. Thank you.